Okay, pictured here is the Corsair. It's the K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Fantastic. Although its battery has degraded from holding a charge for weeks at a time to days, and now basically one day. Yesterday, I tried to turn it on and it was not responding at all. Actually, it was about 3 days ago. And I left it on a charger. It uses MicroUSB, excellent quality cable, a known working USB port charger that I've used for this one since I've got it, and nothing. Now, I decided to try the factory reset, even though there was no LED activity, nothing. That power LED with the power icon didn't respond. But the factory reset process is to press and hold down on the escape key while turning it on. And I did that for 30 seconds. And after I did, it came back to life. Now it's working now, so I really would have liked to have duplicated the process. Or maybe I just should have recorded it from the outset, feeling that I had that troubleshooter's intuition that I could get down to the bottom of it. But now, obviously, it works. You can see Apple Spotlight, and this one's connected via Bluetooth. So if you have that same problem, try holding the escape key down while you power it on, and do not by any means throw it away. They're still very good. Now, that's a short-term fix because obviously it still doesn't hold charge like it ought to, and I'll show this one in another video. It's an easy battery to replace, and I will show you how to do that in a separate video. Thank you very much.